So here are 4 ways to use a home equity line of credit. So there are many different possible ways to use a home equity loan. They're used for just about any reason imaginable. So while you certainly can use your money any way you choose, some ways make more sense than others and have a more lasting value. So here are some of the ways you can intelligently use the money in your home's equity. So home renovations would be first. So this is probably the best investment for your home equity loan. If used properly, it can quickly and add lasting value to your home and more equity. So right now, some of the top projects that can be done to improve the quality of your home are additions, renovating the kitchen and bathroom. And it is important that you first check with a realtor in your area to see what works and what does not when it comes to renovating and increasing value. You will especially want to check if you are considering getting the house ready to sell. So secondly would be a college education. If you have a son or a daughter that is ready to go to college, using some of your home equity loan to help pay for it is a great investment. This can provide a low interest way to foot the college bill. It'll help you to be sure that at least some of the expenses are available in advance, instead of waiting for approval for a grant or other funding. Another way would be investing. So personally, I have a credo when it comes to investing in real estate. Since you're pulling capital out, it should go into another long-term investment, such as a multifamily or down payment on a single-family home or multiple single-family homes. If you're knowledgeable of the stock market or other high-yield investments, this could work for you. Some equity loans are low cost. It is possible for anyone who knows the market well to be able to invest and make a larger profit than what it costs to actually borrow the money. So this puts your money to good use and could enable you to make enough money to pay off the home equity loan quickly. For those who are not familiar with the stock market or real estate, at least not to a point where you want to risk it for yourselves, it is possible to get great advice on how to do this from others. However, let them prove the worth of their advice by starting out investing small amounts and then building up. And then the 4th way would be debt consolidation. Paying off your debts with a home equity loan is another good choice. It would quickly enable you to pay your debts and create a single payment. Besides that, you also have the ability to stretch out the payments over a longer period of time, making it easier to pay. By making regular payments on time each month, you can improve your credit score if it needs it. Now, a word of caution needs to be given here. So consolidating your debts should not be looked at as a new opportunity to max out the credit cards again. Using your equity will allow you to have a fresh start, but you also need to remember that equity is not built up as fast as you can max out those credit cards. This means that if you do max them out again, you're completely exposed and you may not have enough equity to get another loan. The other one will most likely need to be paid off first before you can do so. And most importantly, before you get a home equity loan, be sure to shop around until you find a great deal. By looking around, you will quickly see what is possible and which ones just don't compare with the others. You also want to leave at least 20% of the value of your home untouched, or you will need to pay private mortgage insurance. So, Lavar Harden here with the Harden Real Estate Group. Full service real estate, full service results. Give me a call at 832-429-8393. Talk to you soon.